Hey Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we're going to look at what Axi Copy Trading is, and I'm going to give you a complete beginner's guide on how to get started with it. If you're still unsure on how to get started after this video, there is a link down in the description to a completely free guide that I've created showing you how to get started step by step. So do be sure to check that out if you're interested. I'm also doing a cash giveaway of £100 to the first 100 people that get signed up to this using my link in that guide. If you check out profitboss.co.uk/Axi competition, you'll be able to see who's on that list to win the cash already. And once you get started, you'll be automatically added to that list. But having said that, getting on the laptop then, what is Axi Copy Trading? Well, Axi.com here, as you can see, is an FCA regulated service that is a CFD trading provider. And we can scroll down on their main page here and see that they have over 1,300 positive reviews on Trustpilot. They're rated great there, so 4 out of 5 stars. Now, I was looking through many of the reviews that were 1 star, and a lot of them are those reviews where they're saying they've had a bad experience, but actually they're just plugging another trading service.
You naughty, naughty.
So I think a true reflection of their actual reviews is probably more like a 4.5 star rating overall. You can see here they're providing their services to over 60,000 traders in over 100 countries. So if you're watching this video, more than likely your country will be included to get started using this. And then we can scroll down and just check the site further. So various things you can trade on here, indices, metals, commodities, of course, forex, so currency pairs there. Forex is like when you go on holiday, say you're going to America, you would buy US dollars, of course, to spend money in America. Then when you're coming back to the UK, if you're in the UK now, you would put your dollars back to British pounds. That's all Forex trading is, basically, but you're taking advantage of price movements and taking profit when the price moves up and down there, and then moving on with that profit in your account. Now, I've just made that sound extremely easy, but most people that try Forex trading actually lose money. That's why it says on their site here, 82.7% of people that try it lose money. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to get set up where you're copying someone that's part of the other percentage that actually makes money. And that's obviously what we want to achieve with this. Now, scrolling down on their page further, you can see that they've won some awards here. So in 2021, 2022 as well. And I'm assuming that 2023 awards have not been given yet, but I'm sure they're going to win some more there. And you can see here as well that they're an official sponsor of Man City Football Club. So if you ever watch a Man City match, you'll actually see Axi showing up at the side of the pitch there. Now, what I'll do is I'll put my phone screen up at the side of me now, and we'll just go through the copy trading app. So you're setting up an Axi account on your computer, and then you're actually going to download the app on your phone and connect the two together. So the trades happen through the web browser account that you're going to have, and then the actual copy trading happens on the app. Now, in the guide that I have, of course, link in description, I have gone through everything on how to get it set up, but we'll have a look at that quickly here. So in the bottom left-hand corner on the app, you can see it says Discover. You click on that, and then it's going to list you out the very best traders. So at the top, it says Signals, and you've got like the top trader there, Held Adjust. Then number 2 is the Holy Grail, and so on and so forth. Then if you click on the next icon at the bottom, it says Trade, and that's where you can actually trade yourself. But I don't want to talk about that. We're not trading ourselves here. That's potential for losing money. We want to just copy someone that's making nice money. Now, if we click on positions here, so the third one along from left to right at the bottom of the screen, you can actually see your open trades. Then you can go on to pending orders, which I don't have any, closed, which are ones that have been closed there. And you can see all of them there pretty much profits, just the odd 1 or 2 closed at a loss there. And then you can see some missed trades. So I actually copy the trade of the Holy Grail, which is that one there in second place. Now, when I first started, I was actually copying a few different traders, and I think that was a mistake. I think I'd be even better off in my account if I would have just copied the Holy Grail and not copied a few at a time. So yeah, basically you can see here from my results, I'm 2 weeks in using this. I started with a £400 balance, and it's now at £620 £220.61 pence. So I'm £220.61 pence up. That's an average of £110.30 per week there. Now, if you look at the middle amount there, equity, that says plus £463.18. If I closed all my trades now and took the money, I'd only be up £63.18 pence, because a lot of the live trades currently, as you can see there in live profit loss, are actually minus £156.63. But that's not something that you need to pay attention to, basically. You should ignore that. Really, the main thing is the balance. How is your balance growing from all of these profitable trades? I mean, you can see how many have been closed there. So 84 pence, 93 pence, £4.07, £4.97, just lots and lots of small profits being taken, giving us that £220 so far. If we go on to the bottom right-hand corner where it says account, you can then see that I've been using it, in the graph there, 2 weeks. I've had a 55.15% return. Max drawdown has been 10.15%. I think that's because of copying too many traders. Would have been much less if just copying the Holy Grail. There you can see realized profit, £219.81 it's saying there. So slightly off of the actual balance reported. And for some reason, the balance is not updated there correctly. So it's not 594, obviously. It's that 620 that we saw previously. You can see here in trades, so I've done 393 trades in total, 63 minimum per month, 330 max per month. But those figures are a bit weird because I've only been using this for 2 weeks. And then you can see in the graph here various currency pairs that these traders have been trading for me. So Euro USD there is the largest one currently. Then in trade achievements, you can actually see achievements that I've unlocked, but I've obviously not done those trades. The traders have done them. So like expert trader, you get that when you make 5 profitable trades in a row. I've done that 23 times. The double ton award there is if you make 200 to 300 points of profit in a single trade. Obviously, I've got one of those. Again, I've not done that. It was the trader there. And then you can see various other information on the status. So I'm copying my max drawdown. You can click onto that and see exactly what drawdown you're at. I'm currently at 36%. And you can set your warning level and soft stop level, but I'll go into further detail of that in a second. Then at the very bottom there, you've got further options. So if that all sounds really good to you, let's go through now step by step on how you can get set up using Axi Copy Trading. So back here on the laptop then, this is the screen that you'll get when you go through my link down in the description. As I say, completely free for you to join up to this. There's no monthly payment. You'll just be paying a commission of your profits to the trader that's trading for you. So there's no actual monthly payment for this to get started using it, which is fantastic. And just to mention as well, this all runs on your app in the background. There's no work for you to do. You literally set it up and then just leave the app, and you can check how much profit you've made, or you can just literally leave it alone and check the email that they send you at 10 p.m. every night. They also send you one at the end of each month. But yeah, I'll leave the link, of course, to this page down in the description. You would go on to this, fill in your first name, last name, your phone number, and your email address. And that's literally it. You complete the application, confirm your ID, of course, and then fund your account. It's super, super quick and easy. Then once you go onto the Play Store and download the Axi Copy Trading app, you just go onto your account, scroll down to the bottom, and click that yellow button there, which is just above log out, that says link an account. Put your login details that you've had emailed to you from registering at Axi, and that's going to connect your Axi account to the app, and then allow you to start copying a trader as soon as you've done that. Now, once you've gotten through that part, let's go through now how you would start copying a trader. So let's say you wanted to copy the number one trader, held adjust. You would click onto that. Now, it does say equity guide $10,000, so that's a guide of how much money you should have in your account to copy them. But you would just click that copy button. You can see there performance fee 30%, recommended equity 10 grand, trade size. You would click that, and then that's going to give you some options here. So you can have fixed size, mirror master size, or proportional by equity. Now, fixed size, if you click that, you could literally just do 0.01 of a trading size for every trade they do. So that's no matter what trade they do, you'll copy that with that size every single time. If you click back onto it, you can click on mirror master size, and then go on proportion. So you could, it would copy them exactly if you had it at 1, or if you wanted to copy half of what they do, you would select 0.5. If you wanted to copy double what they do, that would be higher risk there, but you could click on 2 there. It really is up to you there. And then you can go proportional by equity. So whatever equity is left in your account, that would then take that number and use it. So you could do proportional by equity and then 0.1 of a proportion. I'm personally doing proportional by equity and then 0.1 at the moment. And then you can go and select, so round up to minimum trade size, I would have that selected. And then it's up to you whether or not you want to do copy existing trades. You would tick that box or just untick it. Then you want to click on agree and copy, that yellow button at the bottom. And that's it. Once you've selected that, then I'll show you what happens next. You scroll down, click the box there to confirm that you've understood all the terms and conditions. Click OK. Then it's going to give you this, so success, you've started copying them, and you click this max drawdown button. Now, you want to, I personally set my levels at 30% warning level, 50% soft stop level, and then I've left the hard stop level as blank. Now, you click agree and confirm once you set those up. The less of lower levels are less risk, and the higher levels are more risk, but it just depends what kind of risk you want to take on. For me, that works. So whether or not you want to copy my settings, it's completely up to you. None of this is financial advice, of course. For the record, I need to state that. But yeah, I wanted to share with you what I have there on copy a drawdown. So you click agree and confirm on that. And then you go back to, so we'll go back to account. I can then scroll down and click on who am I copying? And now it's showing held adjust and the Holy Grail. But if I want to remove that one, so because I don't actually want to copy them when the market opens again tomorrow on Monday, I can just click on it, click edit copy, and then go stop copying, and then just go close all open trades. Well, actually, I can just close all open trades because it wouldn't have opened any. And then there we go, copying suspended. Just click OK. Now I can go back onto who am I copying, and there it's removed again. If you have any questions whatsoever, do comment below, and I'll try my best to get back to you as soon as possible. And I will live stream Mondays at 7 p.m. here on the channel to answer any questions live also. If you've enjoyed or had any value from this video, do tap the like button below. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.